This is a basic overview of how to set up a new account and then upload data to this new account using the Enerati data upload engine. First step is to create a new account, fill in all your information here, and an email will get sent to your email box that you have to confirm this new account. Once you have filled in your login information, an email will get sent to your email address that you used. You have to confirm this email in order to create this account. Here's the email you will have received from the Enerati service. Simply click on the here, or if you press the link and that does not work, then please copy and paste this line here into your browser to activate your account this way. That should send up a validation that says your account has been successfully activated. Click here to log in, and then you can just use your login credentials to log into the service. Okay, so I entered my login information on the newly created account and I press login. Now that I logged on to the service, I get the first page. This is my profile. I can complete this. I have to type in the address, city, country, state, zip code, telephone, and I need to select the time zone. That's very important in order to make sure that all your data is classified in the right time period. Once this is set, this cannot be changed. You can see I've filled in all the information, and then I click save, and that will take me to the next screen, which will ask me to set up my first location. I have to choose the equipment type, so since we're going to be uploading data with a USB cable, I'll choose an Envi monitor with USB cable, or you can choose the EnviR monitor with USB cable to select whichever one you're using. Click on that, click next. Now you'll get the data uploader screen. There's two steps that are involved with uploading this data to the Enerati service. First is to make sure that the cables, the USB data cable, is properly installed onto your PC, and the second part is to make sure you have your downloader properly installed. If you have already used USB data cable with prior programs, then your driver is already installed and you don't have to install any more drivers. You can simply go to the download button to install the Enerati data upload engine from here. If you have never used the data upload cables before, or the drivers are not properly installed on your PC, then please check on which cable you have. There's a black version and there's a white version, and once you figure out what version cable you have, then you download here and install the driver that is for your system and for your cable. Once that is fully installed, then you can go ahead and download the Enerati data uploader. Click over here. You will get a setup file. And you'll get a security warning. This is a new program and Microsoft has security warnings, so let's just press run. And then if it's installed correctly, then the dashboard will appear, so you can say yes, this is installed correctly, and the dashboard will appear onto your screen. So this is the data Enerati upload engine, and from here you would go ahead and set up your account. Create your connection here by basically first checking what port you're using in order to see where we need to listen for the data. You can find the port using the find port button, and your device manager will show up, and then you just click on the ports and you'll see prolific USB to serial port. On my computer it's COM3. It could be any kind of COM, depends on how your computer is set up, but I need to remember this COM3 because that is where I need to program this. See, on my PC I have 4, 5, and 3, so I gotta use number 3. Then in order to establish the location, I go and log on to my account. For this sample we had used John Doe. And then I log in, and then since this is a brand new account, there are no locations that I can post to, so I have to choose option of posting data to a new location. Since it's a new location, Enerati will create a custom location ID. I can name the location John's location, select the location where this location is actually installed. It's in Idaho. I select my time zone, and this is Central Time, and I put in 15 cents per kilowatt Celsius. So then I select post data to this location, and then what it did is I'm posting data from COM3, which is where I get my information, to this location, which is called John, and then I press save. Once I press save, it will give me confirmation that everything is set up correctly, and then I can choose the history or the live upload mode. First thing we want to do is get all the information out of the Envi display, so let's do the history upload. Press the start button and a time check screen will appear. Just make sure that the time on your Envi display is the same time as the one you're found on your PC. I already checked my time and it looks like it's good, so I can press start. And this will start. You see here it says syncing time. It makes sure that the time is correct. Once it finds that the time is correct, then it will go to give you instructions on how to force a data upload from your display. You do that by pressing the OK and the down button on your display. So before you do that, press the continue, which puts the software in listening mode, and press the OK and the down button on your display. Once that is pressed, the display will start putting out data, and your program here will start showing that it's receiving history data. This may take from 10 seconds to 2 minutes. It depends on how much data you have in your system. Once that is done, this screen will change to history upload, and then it will go back to normal. Once the program has successfully uploaded all the information to the Enerati servers, you have an option to continue the live data uploads, or if you like, at this point you can stop the application. For demonstration purposes, let's continue uploading live data. So I click the OK, and you notice that the history upload mode goes back to normal and the live upload mode is activated. On the bottom part, you'll see live data points being imported from all the various sensors that are connected to this device. And on the top corner, it tells you exactly when you started the upload, how much time has elapsed, the data interval, and how many data points have been uploaded.